And then there's leverage strategy, right? Funding via leverage is an umbrella level topic. And then within that, there's SBA, municipal, county, state, federal loans and grants, conventional loans, HELOCs, unsecured, margin loans. And so to Lydia's point, HELOC, right? Acronym for home equity line of credit. It's another form of leverage, right? So general rule with home equity line of credit is that lender is going to do up to 80% of loan to value. Now, some people already have a HELOC, but they haven't tapped into it yet. Some people don't. But get an appraisal on your house, and then whatever and then 80% of that number equals X. Subtract out, what your current, your primary mortgage principal already is. The remaining amount is potential additional HELOC access. And then depending on, are you going to do it with the same lender? They might stack, they might stack it on top, that you might have a lender come in and wants to, refinance and do a cash out refi and the whole thing. But you have to be careful there because the interest rate on your first mortgage might be better than the one on like the new HELOC. So you have, so there's different ways to skin the cat there. And then also if you're military, there could be 100% loan to value options that USAA or Navy Federal Credit have that most lenders don't. And then also there might be, like, if you have a longstanding relationship with like a local community bank or a local credit union, they might be willing to, I'll put it to you this way. What I'm saying right now are like general guidelines. And then, each individual lender out there might have they have their own rules. And so you might be able to get, like a deal that you can't refuse, right? At like a bank that you have like a community bank that you have a long-standing relationship with compared to a big box bank out there. But general rule, just to bring HELOC in for a landing, 80% loan to value. And that's another leverage. You can leverage the equity in your house to get the liquidity needed to start your business.
Got it. Awesome.